Okay, so this x of e to the power j omega is okay written here. We just need to give the shift, okay, time shift, which is n naught, which is phi. So here we have given e to the power minus j omega, okay, n naught. This is n naught and it is phi into e to this as it is, okay, this as it is, and minus Fourier transform of this term, okay, Fourier transform of this term is okay subtracted, because in the question it is n minus 5 into u of n minus 5 minus u of n minus 6, okay. So this is the answer, okay. And now we have to simplify just, okay. So now multiply this in both, okay. So it will be e to the power minus 6 j omega and e to the power minus 6 j omega, and denominator as it is, okay. This is the answer for this question, okay. So third problem is x of n equals to u of minus n, okay. So in this problem there is a reverse of sign in x of n. We can see that x of n equals to u of minus n, okay. Basically it is plus, okay. If there is a reverse in the sign other than plus, it is called as time reversal property, okay. So now the property states that if dtft of dtft of x of n is x of e to the power j omega, then dtft of x of minus n is x of e to the power minus j omega. So if there is a time reverse, if there is a reverse in the x of n, there will be a reverse in e to the power j omega, okay. This j omega will become minus j omega. So we already know that. So according to the problem, we know that dtft of u of n is nothing but 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus j omega. This is standard, okay. And then we just need to put omega equals to minus omega, okay. So write down this equation as it is, just put omega equal to minus omega. So next it will be 1 upon 1 minus e to the power plus j omega, okay. You can see here plus j omega because omega equals to minus omega. So when we put minus omega equals to omega, it will become e to the power omega, okay. This is the answer for time reversal property, okay. So next problem is x of n equals to n into 3 to the power minus n into u of minus n, okay. So we know that we know the uh, Fourier transform of this. We just need to find out Fourier transform of this term, okay. So already we have to use, so as we already done, whenever there is a multiplication of a constant term n with respect to the u of n, we are going to use differentiation in frequency domain property, okay. We are going to use this property. So it states that whenever there is a constant term n with respect to x of n, so the dtft of this term will be j, okay, and derivative of x of e to the power j omega, okay, derivative of this Fourier transform of this, okay. So now write down, okay, x of n I have given here. This is x of n, okay. This is a constant term which is associated to x of n. This is your x of n, okay. I have written here. equals to j as it is. Derivative means d by d omega, and f means Fourier transform of x of n. Okay, so now we are going to take this Fourier transform of x of n. So this x of n is not modified. We have to modify this x of n by putting minus n equal to plus n. Okay, by putting minus n equal to plus n. Okay, so how it is going to happen? So just write down j as it is. Okay, after putting minus n to plus n, we will get 3 to the power n u of n. Okay, 3 to the power n u of n. So by looking at this term, we can assume that we can imagine the term a to the power n u of n or alpha to the power n u of n. So we know the discrete time Fourier transform of that standard term. Okay, you just need to put. Okay, so in this case alpha is or a is 3, and as it is, so we know that alpha is to n u of n. Fourier transform is 1 upon 1 minus alpha into e to the power minus j omega. Okay, so just put down the values. J as it is, d by d omega, 1 upon 1 minus, okay, 3 in case of alpha, e to the power minus j omega as it is. Okay, just write omega equal to minus j omega. So now after putting back, so after putting omega equals to j omega, sorry, omega equals to minus omega, so this minus omega will become plus omega. So 1 upon 1 minus 3 e to the power j omega. Okay, so now j as it is, so we have to take the derivative of this term. This is nothing but derivative of 1 upon x, which is, I've written here, derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square into d by dx, means derivative of x. So this will be minus 1 upon x square into derivative of this term. Okay, so minus 1 upon x square is this term. Okay, minus 1 upon x square is this, and derivative of this is, okay, so now derivative of 1 is 0, so we have to take the derivative of this. Okay, so derivative of this term is nothing but, write down as it is first of all, minus 3 e to the power j omega, and then constant as it is. Okay, j, that's it. Okay, so simplify. After simplifying, we are going to get this. Also the j is, this j and this j is cancelled. Okay, remaining terms are this. So we have got the Fourier transform of n into 3 to the power minus n u of n. Okay, u of minus n. Last problem is e to the power 3n u of n. Okay, so in this problem we have to use frequency shift property because there is an exponential term associated with the u of n. Okay, so we know that x of n, derivative of Fourier transform of x of n is x of e to the power j omega. So if there is a term which is exponential associated with the u of n or x of n, so e to the power j omega 0 n. So from this we can surely say that omega 0 is 3. I've written here omega 0 equal to 3. Okay, from this, and dtft of this is x into e to the power j omega minus omega naught. Okay, this is there is a delay. Okay, so if there is a exponential term with respect to x of n, there is a delay in the Fourier transform, which is omega minus omega naught. So just write down. So we know that from this equation, from this we can say that it is a to the power n u of n. Okay, so the formula is 1 upon 1 minus e to the power j omega. Just give a delay of omega minus omega naught, which is 1 upon 1 minus e to the power minus j. Okay, so in place of omega, write down the delay. Omega minus omega naught is plus 3. Okay, simple. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, I hope you understand, and if there is any problem or queries, okay, contact me. Okay, thank you.